Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out. Now, let's take a deeper look into specific actions and products you can use to safeguard your trailers from unwanted pests. Evaluating surrounding environment for pest activity. Don't just focus on the storage space. Look at what's around it. The nearby environment can make or break your pest control efforts before you even park. Watch out for these red flags. Overgrown grass, bushes, or weeds right next to the storage lot. These are natural hiding spots for rodents and insects. Trash piles or dumpsters close by. Rotting food and waste bring in hungry pests, who might see your trailer as a second stop. Standing water in puddles, ditches, or clogged drains. Mosquitoes love these, and excess moisture can mean more bugs in general. Old sheds, barns, or woodpiles near the area. These places often harbor mice, snakes, and bugs that could migrate to your trailer. Look for these green lights. Clean, well-kept grounds with regular grass cutting, no litter, and good drainage. Pest control measures like bait stations, traps, or posted service schedules. Secure fences and locked gates to keep out animals and people. Paved or gravel lots rather than dirt or grass. Hard surfaces discourage nesting. Your goal is to pick a space where pests are not welcome. The fewer hiding spots, trash piles, or water sources nearby, the less likely you are to have trouble with rodents and insects down the road. Ongoing preventative measures during storage. After prepping your trailer and picking a good storage spot, it's just as important to keep up with regular checks and maintenance. Pests don't take a holiday. They look for gaps, new smells, or cozy spaces anytime they can. Building a simple routine catches problems early and keeps your trailer clean and pest-free for the long haul. Regular inspection schedules. Stay ahead of pests by keeping a regular inspection routine. Checking in on your trailer, even just once a month, can make a real difference. During each visit, look for fresh droppings or gnawed spots near doors, wiring, and corners. New holes or chewed seals that could be pest entry points. Shredded fabric, insulation, or nesting material tucked out of sight. Strange smells or dampness that hint at hidden pest activity. Bring a flashlight and check everywhere. Don't forget under seats, inside cupboards, and around appliances. Jot down anything that looks off so you can fix it right away. Catching small signs now saves a lot of hassle later. Use of deterrents and traps. No matter how clean your trailer is, some pests will still try their luck. Using the right mix of deterrents and traps helps you catch problems early. Here are some effective options. Scent deterrents. Place pouches or sachets with peppermint oil, cedar shavings, or dryer sheets inside the trailer. These smells are unpleasant for most rodents and bugs. Electronic repellents. Plug-in ultrasonic devices can discourage pests, though results may vary. Snap or live traps. Place traps near possible entry points, but away from kids or pets. Check them on each visit. Glue boards or sticky pads. Use these for insects or in tight, hidden spots. Swap out old deterrents and empty traps regularly. If one method stops working, rotate your approach to keep pests guessing. Keep baits and chemicals locked up safe. Never leave poison around where it can hurt pets or children. Proper trailer ventilation. Stale air and dampness draw in unwanted guests. Keeping your trailer well ventilated helps in many ways. Reduces moisture. Dry air means fewer bugs and less mold, both of which attract rodents. Stops musty smells. Fresh air makes it less inviting for pests seeking dank, quiet places. Improves visibility. Open vents and windows, with screens, during visits to spot trouble areas. If your trailer sits closed up in a humid area, use moisture absorbers or small, vented fans. For longer storage, crack a window or rooftop vent. Secure it with fine mesh, to let air move but keep pests out. Good airflow turns your trailer into a much less tempting hideout. A simple, steady maintenance routine can stop pests before they cause trouble. Stay watchful, mix up your repellents, and make your trailer a dry, clean, and unwelcoming place for anything but you and your gear. What to do if you discover an infestation? Even with the best prep, pests sometimes sneak in. If you spot droppings, hear scratching, or notice chewed wires, it's time to act fast. Handling an infestation quickly keeps things from getting worse and protects your trailer and wallet. Here's a clear plan to follow when pests take hold. Immediate containment and damage assessment. Start by containing the problem and checking for immediate risks. Quick action makes cleanup and repairs easier down the line. Limit the spread. Close off the trailer if you can. Avoid moving things around too much, which could send pests running to new hiding spots. Document the damage. Snap photos of chewed wires, nesting spots, or droppings. Keep these for insurance or repair records. Check for hazards. Inspect for exposed wires or leaks. Rodents chew through insulation and cables, which can spark electrical fires or cause power loss. Look for nest sites. Focus on hidden areas behind panels, inside storage bins, and under seats. The more you find up front, the less likely pests will be missed during cleanup. Take time during your inspection. Write down what you find so you can explain it to a cleanup or repair pro if needed. Review deterrents. Set fresh scent pouches, try ultrasonic repellents, and double-check any screens or vents. Schedule follow-ups. Set reminders to inspect trouble spots every week for the next month. Early action catches any returnees. Address every weak point. After one infestation, pests will remember the path in. Locking down your trailer now means a smoother, pest-free experience later. Thanks for watching this video. Simple, steady prevention is your best defense against rodent and pest damage in stored trailers. Staying alert with routine inspections and quick fixes keeps small problems from turning into expensive headaches. Cleaning up, sealing entry points, and using a mix of deterrents all add up to real peace of mind. Adopting an integrated pest management plan, combining cleaning, sealing, and checking controls, gives you a strong shield. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.